How to add Chinese captions on my video for RedNote. Really easy and simple, guys. So I'm uploading some videos on RedNote, and of course, you need to have Chinese captions because a large number of the audience on RedNote is Chinese. Really easy and simple, guys. So go to Google and just search for Google Translate. And then here under detect language, you're just going to go ahead and type in English. Okay. And then here you want to choose Chinese simplified. Okay. Use simplified one and just write anything here. For example, hi, make sure to subscribe. Okay. And just come here, click on copy. Now, when you go back to RedNote, click on the plus icon at the bottom to post. Choose any video you want to post. For example, this one right here. Press next. And as you can see right here, guys, you can also add text in Chinese. I can come and paste this text. There you go. You can go paste this. Come here, click on paste. There we go. We have that in Chinese. And then what I can do is click on next and also add a description or title in Chinese as well. And then you can go ahead and post this video. Really that easy and simple, guys.